Welcome to my channel. My name is Nicole and I like to do fashion DIYs, but in today's video I actually did a bedroom transformation. So as you can kind of tell, my theme is primary colors. I know this isn't necessarily for everybody, but I don't know, it was a challenge that I was so excited to do. Recently I've been obsessed with primary colors of the past year or so. I decided to try to make a tasteful adult bedroom using primary colors. So definitely know that this isn't everyone's cup of tea, but I have to say I'm obsessed and I really love the outcome of it. Please let me know what you think in the comments below, and yeah, enjoy the transformation. Okay, so this is what I was working with. This is the before of my bedroom. As you can see, it's pretty lifeless and dull and a little bit of a mess. I wanted to turn my bedroom into a space to reflect my primary color obsession without breaking the bank. So the first thing I had to do was paint the gray wall behind my bed. So I'm currently in the middle of doing this bedroom transformation and I have painted my wall. I'm sure you can't tell because it looks honestly identical to the last color I had. It is a little bit lighter and the undertone is definitely more of a cool tone than before, but it is nowhere near what I wanted. So now I have to go and buy more paint because it is still the same color as my headboard. So this is 2 coats of a lighter paint. At least I thought it was lighter. It looked a lot lighter in the swatch and the actual paint itself will go a lot lighter, but I guess it wasn't light enough. So now I'm back to Canadian Tire to get lighter paint. This is the lighter shade of gray that I ended up going with, and here's the footage of me repainting the wall. Okay, so after about 4 coats of paint, I was finally able to move on to the next step, which was to create some sort of wall design using washi tape. Obviously, I went for the colors red, yellow, and blue, and I came up with this geometric shape idea. I won't get too into this process since I do have a bedroom DIY video coming soon featuring all the things I've made in this transformation. Moving on to this new duvet cover I ordered from Amazon. I decided on this white cover with a black grid pattern. Surprisingly, I didn't want anything that was red, yellow, or blue. I only wanted to use them as pops of color. My pillows still need to be swapped out, but I like the progress so far. Okay, so we are currently undergoing my bedroom transformation and it has been a slow process. I have been out looking for stuff at least a couple times a week. I'm just so specific of what I want that it's so hard for me to find what it is. Anyway, so I went to IKEA yesterday and HomeSense and I picked up a couple of things, and I'm going to kind of B-roll this and show you me slowly putting the place back together. Yeah, let's get to the redecorating. What's up, guys? So I am also in the process of transforming my closet. I have a pretty nice closet space. I have 2 racks on either side for clothing, and then there is quite a bit of room underneath, and then right through here is my washroom. So I really love this space, but I feel like I am not utilizing it very well. So that is something that I'm in the process of. I have to go through all my stuff, get rid of anything I don't need. I have so much clutter, I hate it. I also plan on swapping out all of the storage on the bottom and all of the storage on the top. Hopefully I can donate or sell some clothes to free up some space in my closet. As you can see, this space is cluttered and unorganized, so I started with clearing out the floor space. I purchased this set of drawers from IKEA, and since I have a million shoes, I used the bottom drawer for my shoes. And this old nightstand fit perfectly next to it. Purchased this cubby from IKEA as well, but it didn't end up fitting on the bottom, so I moved it to the top of my closet instead. I purchased a new shoe rack from Amazon to organize more of my shoes. I wanted to utilize the back of my bathroom door with hooks. I just displayed a few of my bags and hats. Now this space is so much more organized and I can justify buying more clothes. Apparently I don't have footage of the before of my washroom, but just imagine it all the same color. I also wanted to add a pop of yellow by painting this small wooden vanity, as well as a complementing opposite wall. I used the leftover washi tape to complete this simple pattern. To replace the curtains, I ended up DIYing these yellow accent curtains. They'll be featured in my upcoming bedroom DIY transformation video, so I won't really get too much into it. I also couldn't resist this blue throw blanket that matched my room perfectly. The pillows for my bed were one of the hardest things to find, so I ended up making Euro pillow covers using the leftover shams from the duvet color with the pop of yellow on the backside. This will also be featured in my DIY video, as well as the red circle pillow that I had to make since I couldn't find a single red-yellow pillow in the right shade. So after I get off my phone, let me give you the final tour. That is the complete bedroom transformation. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please leave a comment in the like below letting me know what you think, and also subscribe if you'd like to see some more DIYs. I will be returning to fashion DIYs very shortly, so yeah. Bye! As always, thank you so much for watching, and please be sure to hit that subscribe button and keep an eye out for my bedroom DIY video featuring all the DIY projects I did for this transformation.